What's wild in New Hampshire? Hey, I'm here with the New Hampshire Fishing Game Department. They're loading up river herring. Matt Carpenter up there. It's a little loud here. If you say anything, you'd have to shout, Matt. What's going on? Let's take a look at some of these fish. These are river herring. And now, how many you got loaded here? You're gonna load?
So far, we got like 6 nets in here right now, so probably about 300, 350.
Okay.
But we're still working on like 2,000, I think we got.
All right. Well, we'll watch the operation. Another load of fish. Look at that. And they're going, Matt says they're going in basin, so we'll follow the truck. These are river herring that run up from the sea. We got somebody down in there that this is the fish ladder, fish way here. That's the Cocheco River. On a flood in 1896 that wiped things out. Let's take a look. Here is the fish ladder right there. Yeah, when I worked out of the Region 3 office in Durham, I came over and helped them here on occasion. I took an angry beaver out of something here at one time. Must have been this, yeah. We had a beaver trap here. There's the falls, Cocheco River Falls, Dover, New Hampshire. Here we go, loading river herring. Here's the crew. Another batch of fish. Look at that, that's a net full. Wow. Holy mackerel. That's a net full of fish. We'll follow Matt where he's going to be stocking them. Maybe we'll have a chance to talk more about the life history of river herring and the restoration efforts that have been ongoing in New Hampshire for decades. This fish ladder was built, I think, in the 60s by the New Hampshire Fishing Game Department. It was. Look at that net full of fish there. Wow. There's some fish there. You're in a bunch of river herring. Got to move them quickly, reduce the mortality. Yeah, these guys they're humping, getting it done. Up the stairs with a load of fish. And haddock, shad and herring, not haddock, shad and herring, it's best to move them in these round tanks. They got to be in moving water, in current. So these tanks are designed to circulate water as if there's a current. More herring right there. Look at that. Got 2 tanks to fill. We'll watch for a minute. Give it another 50 seconds or so. So at the top of the fish ladder is this trap. So the fish come up step by step up this ladder. Let me get down the steps. I'll show you. Here is the fish ladder. See there, not much. So here is the Cocheco River Dam in Dover. What it looks like from the top. So the fish come up to the top of the ladder into this holding section. Scooping fish.
This is 1,000.
All right. Who we got down here? I guess. Hey, you got them all.
Not quite all of them. Halfway.
Not quite. All right. All right. One last look at the fish ladder, and then we'll. Yeah, very noisy. A lot of water flowing. Here is the dam, Cocheco River.